cold bitch, yes, I'm a cold piece. Looking for a Mr. Freeze to get froze like me. Got a lot of cold stones and I ain't talking.
Hey guys, I'm trying to give you quality content, but like it's just a lot going on right now, and I just really want to get these videos out because I really have to be more consistent. And I've been wanting to do this, but I didn't have the correct research nor materials, nor did people on YouTube have the material that I needed to learn from until about a year ago. And I still was not trying my best or doing the research to sell lashes for referral. So my senior year, I was like, okay, I want to sell lashes. And then some girls in my school when I was there, they was like, everybody sell lashes, everybody sells lip gloss and everything. But the thing is, when you go to the bread aisle, and I told them this, I said, when you go to the bread aisle, there's mad lip gloss. I said mad lip gloss. There's mad different brands of bread. And somebody's buying every single loaf of the bread. Somebody's buying every single one of those varieties of bread. So why wouldn't somebody want to buy mine? But I didn't let them get to me, because plus again, I wasn't really hustling. I wasn't really trying to hustle because I had problems of my own. I had other stuff going on. So the lashes was the last thing on my list. But before I went to my old college, the CIA, I had ended up getting a couple like stocks of it. Like I got a couple stacks of them or whatever, right? And I was selling them. That was my little profit I was getting. I was selling them. So when I had left the CIA, I was like, all right, I'm about to start my business. My original business name, if you go back to my first video, my New Year's vision board, it shows that my name is Double Dose. Somebody actually see, I wasn't really like grinding for it. Like it was just saying something I wanted. Like I was just talking about it. But somebody took my name and they what is it called? They bought it, or LLC, something. They took the name basically, and I didn't want the name anymore. Obviously, I couldn't have the name anymore. And the reason why I chose Double Dose is because you're doing why did I say double dose? It's because like I'm giving these hoes a dose. And you know, when people see you, they double look. Like if somebody, like for example, if you're attractive and so for me, I get double taked a lot. Like somebody would like, oh, like you know when you look twice at somebody? That's the whole point of me doing double dose, because you looked at me twice. And I just gave you a dose of what you're looking for. Like, you get what I'm saying? So that kind of made me sad that this name was gone. But then again, if I was really on it how I wanted to be on it, I wouldn't be in this predicament that I'm in now. But let's get to unboxing. I spent $500 on my inventory. And I have more stuff missing. I don't have a lot of things missing, but I have a couple things missing. And I have more stuff that I want to purchase. But this is after I sell these things. I want to invest. And I haven't washed the tubes yet, so don't worry. My nose is itching. So this is a 10 milliliter or 8 milliliter. I can't remember which one. Honestly can't. Let me see. Since I've been doing my eyebrows since the 8th grade, I invested in getting my very own micro dual eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna show you it. So this is the spoolie side, and this is the shade soft brown. So yeah, excuse it if it looks ashy, but this is soft brown, and I'm gonna show you guys. And you see how it's micro? I was gonna get the one with the slant in it, but when I remembered trying to do my eyebrows with it, it didn't it came out really thick. I mean, when I was doing my eyebrows with that, it made it really thick. But you see, with this eyebrow pencil, this is the eyebrow pencil I'm using in ebony. It's pretty precise, and I didn't even do it. I didn't even make full. This is a natural brow day. I didn't even fill it in all the way that I wanted to. Like, I just did a quick brow, and you see how pigmented and dark it is. So get with me. I did a lot of research for this. A lot. When you're starting a business, do a lot of research. I'm going to do a business segment on my channel, because like it's a lot of people out here doing it, but they're not giving you the real jewels. And I'm finna drop them, because I'm not about to let you guys struggle the way I did trying to do some research from some half giving information, sister. If you're gonna give me some information, give me it all. And I'm not charging for no vendors list. I'm gonna show you how to find your own vendor. Cause everybody wanna say, buy my vendor list for $75. Buy my vendor list for $75. Buy my vendor list for $6. Buy my vendor list this. Buy my vendor list this. Everybody selling vendors, but don't have a real business, right? My vendor does this the best. Blah blah blah. My vendor added me on Snapchat, baby. Me and my vendor talk all the time for my lashes. Me and my vendor are very much business partners. Next thing I got is the VersaGel. How many did I get? 2, right? Okay. So I got 2 and another one is on its way. But I don't need it yet. So it's not on its way. I lied. I have it in my cart just in case I do sell out fast. Just in case I sell out extremely fast. So I got a 6 ounce and I got a 15 ounce. So this is supposed to make, I think, 20 tubes of lip gloss. I'm not sure, but I got 2 of these just to be safe. And the shades, listen. This is another thing. My business is really for black girls, for girls with melanin. This is what my business is really for. This is to show you that you need to embrace your beauty, enhance it if you want to. You don't have to, but I'm saying if you're going to take the steps, at least, if you're going to wear makeup, at least support a black business. You feel me? Stop making NARS rich, because they don't even have enough shades, a real big shade variety. 2, they're mad expensive. You're breaking the bank for what when you could shop with me. Get pretty, be bad. Look at my eyebrows. And they're not even, I don't even have concealer on. And look how good my eyebrows look. And it's mine. It's my eyebrow pencil. Come on. You can't get better than me. You can't get better than me. For eyebrows? Come on. I'm the girl. I will show you. I will insert videos of my eyebrows. I'm that girl for eyebrows. Period. I'm the girl. I'm the girl for eyebrows. Ask anybody I went to high school with. Ask anybody I went to high school with. They're going to tell you that girl eyebrows was done. And that's on period. I went from pomades to pencils. Pencils to pomade. Back and forth. I hate pomade now. I don't even deal with pencils. In a couple years, I'll probably go back to pomade. But I hate it right now. Then I got my pigments. I got the sample set of pigments because I wasn't sure. But I'm definitely using the brown. But I'll show you in the next thing. So this was like, I'm going to say all this together right here was $35. This was $70. This was $65. This is $35. So you do the math, y'all. Then we got the oils. I'm gonna just quickly throw my oil over. I'm not showing you my concoction because they're special. This lip gloss gonna be very moisturizing. I'm not gonna tell you my oils just yet because I just know. Okay, I'll tell you guys. I'll just give you one. I'll just tell you guys because a lot of people use it. Grapeseed oil. 1, because it's very moisturizing and it adds extra shine. Remember, grapeseed oil adds extra shine and moisture. We got vitamin E oil. It's very nice. It's really moisturizing. Really, it's for skin health. I think it's for it nourishes and moisturizes the skin. Then we got the olive oil. Olive oil. You already know. Olive oil is the best too with making lip gloss. It just makes it like gives the lip gloss makes the lips extra like shiny and moisturized. Then we got the lashes. The lashes was $2.50. So I'm gonna show you my styles. I have two of these. So I'm gonna show you the first style. Something's not right, you guys. Give me a second. This is the style. Sorry, you guys. I honestly don't know what style this is. I have to label all of these. I gotta make sure that's the style. Because I don't want to say it's the style. A certain style and it's not. Oh, Gemini. Because if you didn't know, your girl's a Gemini. Period. And this is what the style of Gemini. She's so pretty, right? And I'm going to do a makeup look using my lashes in the next couple of days. But this is what my lashes look like. This is my logo. JaJa Cosmetics, and it's right on the box. And I really appreciate my vendor for doing that for me. And she also gave me brushes. And she also gave me the cards to change. So some of them have silver glitter. Some of them have pink glitter. And some of them... So we just have silver and pink glitters. But I might change it to holographic. I might not. I might just keep the holographic for next time. Because I do like the holographic. Or I might just turn it into thank you cards, honestly. Because that would be another bang for your buck. Just write thank you on it. And then put our social medias on it. Because I know people could print on it. So maybe that'll be... Or I might just save it for the next time. Who knows? I might even switch them out. But I like the glitter because the glitter gives... Oh, I'm wrapping it up. Okay, so that was the Style Gemini. What is this? This one is Bams. I'm going to show you why I call her Bams. I always knew it was going to be something. And I always told myself I was going to be a multimillionaire. And this is just the beginning. I'm going to be a nice multimillionaire. I'm going to be an influencer, a businesswoman. I'm going to have a catering gig. Because I do cook, you guys. You will see that on there. Once our kitchen is in. Our kitchen is under construction. But this is why I call her Bam. Do you see how cute she looks? Act like... Why would you fall? But act like you're blinking your eyes. I'm telling you, this is going to be a #1 seller. She's going to be a #1 seller. All of my lashes are #1 sellers. Why? Because I just picked the perfect ones. I'm just like that. I just pick stuff that's like for the girls. For the girls. It's only for the girls. Not only for the girls. It's for the boys too. The ones that want to be cute. They want to be cute and do what they do. My video mad long, but it's fine. I think unboxing is supposed to be long, right? I don't know. But this is the Style Hurls. Because this is the most... It looks kind of natural to me. Or should I change the name from Bambi's? This should be Bambi's. Or should this be Hurls? I don't know. Because it looks kind of... This is the... I'm going to call these Hurls because my grandma name is Hurley. But we call... But not we. But people call her Hurls. Well, we call her Hurls for funny. To be funny. But she prefers lashes like this on me. So I call them Hurls after her. Because she prefers lashes like this on me. So yeah. She really does like lashes like that on me. So that's why I named it after my girl. Me and my grandma is best friends, y'all. We together all the time. And I love her. So that's for the lashes. What's another thing? Oh, they sent me bags. Blue bags, but I don't know where they at. I just seen them, but now I don't. I don't see them anymore. I don't know where the blue baggies went. Oh, here they are. Overlook at them. Just some blue baggies to throw the lashes in real quick. Well, make the little baddie bundles or whatever. Then I got some syringes, which I won't be using these. I'm probably gonna like, I don't know, but I won't be using these. I probably will use them. Probably won't. Probably will. I'll probably just use them just to use them. But I need bigger ones because I don't want to keep refilling these ones over and over again. So, when I read it, I thought I swear this has 60 on here. But it didn't. So, I'll just buy some from Dollar Tree, single ones. Then I got some pipettes. Then I got my a bigger pack of the brown pigment. Because you never want to run out of brown pigment. Because, girl, Beanie Babe is one of my brown shades. My brown shade. Beanie Babe, she's going to slap with Mwah. If you mix Mwah, if you just do a full lip of Beanie Babe, right? And then put Mwah in the middle, like, right there. And then go like this. Chef's kiss. That's how beautiful it's going to be. Because Beanie Babe is kind of like hot chocolate from Rihanna. That's what it's giving me. And Mwah is giving me more of tiramisu from NYK, the Butter Gloss series. That's what it's giving. I got my little Tutti Frutti flavoring. What else I got? I put those together. And I got my glitters. And the stuff, oh, that's what's on its way. I remember when I was telling you guys all my stuff in here. That isn't really inventory for this segment. It's really more for like the promotion. Like, I'm gonna tell you guys how I'm gonna promote my things. But that's for a video for another time. That's probably like in the middle of January, because that inventory is for Valentine's Day, and I'm going crazy Valentine's Day, because y'all gonna want y'all girlfriends or boyfriends to look cute, right? Right. So I'm gonna make stuff cute for y'all, and I'm gonna give y'all the perfect Valentine's gift. Because why wouldn't you want Beanie Babe and Mwah for your lips, or XOXO? The shades that I'm coming out for Valentine's Day. Why wouldn't you want your girlfriend or boyfriend to have beautiful lips so you could kiss them? Mwah. Why wouldn't you want your girlfriend or boyfriend to have the perfect eyebrows, so when you give them that ring or that flowers or whatever they've been asking for, when they be like, perfect eyebrow. Or when they look at you, they give you that lustful look and bat their eyes. That's your girl. Come on. Who better than me? Come on. I just stepped in the game. Y'all know. I'm sorry for yelling at you guys. I just know y'all not messing with me. Y'all just not like that. I'm telling you. Y'all just not like that.
I'm a cold piece looking for a Mr. Freeze to get froze like me. Got a lot of cold stones and I ain't talking ice cream. Take my arm to the sun, bet I melt your